are you saying that this case was determined on the basis of a prejudgment?
Yes, we are saying that the matter was prejudged, and that and I'm not saying that in the overall outcome of the case. I'm talking about the specific issue of the authority of Ms. Duarte. Remember, that is a pivotal issue in this case. Mr. Magashule reasonably, in this case, believes that the case was prejudged on that point. Why is it reasonable? Because it happened in front of the entire country. Speaking for myself, at least, I accept that the court did what it had to do. But the point here is a perception of bias on the part of the litigant. It's got nothing to do with me. And this issue of judicial bias, has been spoken about in dark corners in South Africa. I think we must bring it to the fore. I do not want to live in a country where people know the outcome of a case before the case happens, simply because it's so-and-so versus so-and-so. Because you'll remember, I raised the issue of the court giving a ruling about the authority of Ms. Duarte in the context of the intervention applications, and actually giving reasons, which was, with the greatest respect, incorrect or inappropriate. Because what that does, to me as a lawyer, it might mean one thing, but to a litigant, all it says is that, what is the point of my lawyer even arguing this point about Ms. Duarte's authority if this court has just given in front of my eyes a judgment that says that argument is wrong? We accept that Mr. Magashule could not suspend himself. We accept that. I've said it so many times, and yet in the judgment it was still said that we argued the opposite, which is really frustrating. So we accept that. But what we do not accept is that the fact that Mr. Magashule was conflicted and could not suspend himself automatically means that the DSG, as she puts it, it fell on her to simply like manna from heaven. Such a matter, with the greatest respect to the three judges, is a matter that must be referred to another court, so that another court of neutral people, not yourselves judging yourself whether you were biased or not biased, but somebody with a fresh mind will then say, no, these judges were not biased.